Welcome to GOALisB Admission Consultants. Today we're discussing the UCLA Master of Science in Business Analytics (MSBA) program, a prestigious graduate degree offered by the UCLA Anderson School of Management. This program equips aspiring data scientists and business analysts with the skills needed to excel in today's data-driven business world. The UCLA MSBA is renowned for its comprehensive curriculum, blending advanced analytics, business acumen, and real world applications. With a strong focus on data driven decision making, this program ensures you'll graduate ready to tackle the challenges of today's business landscape. Let's look at some key features of the UCLA MSBA program. Students benefit from immersive summer internships with leading companies, a dedicated career services team offering resume and interview support, and an innovative curriculum designed in collaboration with industry experts. This curriculum covers the latest advancements in data analytics, machine learning, and business strategy. If you're considering applying, here are the important deadlines to keep in mind. Round 1 is due by January 10th, Round 2 by March 14th, and Round 3 by May 31st. Make sure to prepare your application materials well in advance to meet these deadlines. UCLA MSBA is looking for candidates with a strong foundation in mathematics and coding. Applicants should demonstrate proficiency in linear algebra and calculus, as well as coding skills in languages like Python, R, or Java. These technical foundations are crucial for understanding and applying advanced statistical and machine learning techniques. When applying, you'll need to submit your GMAT or GRE scores, official academic records, and letters of recommendation. Additionally, you'll craft essays that showcase your unique experiences and motivations for pursuing the degree, and highlight your programming experience through internships, personal projects, or coursework. UCLA offers a variety of resources to help you succeed, from online tutorials to academic advising. You'll also have access to recommended textbooks and supplementary resources like research guides and writing workshops, which are designed to prepare you for the program's rigorous coursework. What sets UCLA MSBA apart? It offers comprehensive career support, access to cutting-edge tools, and a world-class education. You'll also benefit from powerful networking opportunities within the UCLA Anderson community and beyond. At GOALisB, we are here to help you craft a standout application for the UCLA MSBA program. From refining your personal statement to preparing you for interviews, our experienced team will guide you through every step of the application process to ensure your success. If you're wondering whether the UCLA MSBA program is the right fit for you, contact GOALisB for personalized application assistance. We'll provide expert guidance to help you create a compelling application and maximize your chances of acceptance.